such an incredible playoff. It's one of the most historic we've ever seen. You said you went to work after you weren't voted an All-Star. What would
For myself, I worked so damn hard, Holly, on and off the court, and I'm just glad we're able to go to the finals. It's been a long time coming.
We'll see you in the finals.
And shout out to Sue Bird. She's had a legendary freaking career. I'm glad I was able to win with her.
Thank you.
Well, the best powerful moment. Sue Bird, the most accomplished champion